This is Ben. Ben works in the manufacturing industry, and while his company is very adamant about worker safety, Ben works in a high-risk environment and faces potential dangers every day, like machinery hazards and mishaps, chemical exposure, loud noises, and dehydration and fatigue. Like Ben, workers across numerous industries such as manufacturing, mining, oil and gas, and construction are exposed to many health and safety hazards. It's estimated that nearly 3 million deaths are caused by occupational accidents and illnesses each year. To improve worker safety, innovative IoT and wireless connectivity solutions are being utilized to monitor and report on the health and safety of workers. That's why BearTech, Microsoft, Advantech, Intel, and Hitachi Solutions have teamed up to build an end-to-end worker safety architecture from the edge to the cloud. With MyThings sensors installed on-site and in wearables, environmental data such as temperature, humidity, and air quality, as well as health data like heart rate and outdoor location, are gathered and securely transmitted through a MyThings-enabled Advantech gateway. After the devices are authorized by the Intel Secure Device Onboard, the data is relayed to the Hitachi Solutions IoT Service Hub on Microsoft Azure Cloud. Using advanced machine learning algorithms, critical health and safety information can be analyzed for actionable insights accessible and visualized at a remote management console. Now workers like Ben can be immediately alerted if risks to health or safety arise. By implementing a purpose-built worker safety solution, you can improve emergency response times, monitor environmental factors to improve health and wellness, reduce fatalities and injuries with predictive analytics, encourage recovery breaks when there's risk of fatigue or overexertion, and reduce costs for insurance and litigation fines after injuries or accidents. If you're looking to proactively protect the health and safety of your workers, contact a solution expert.